This is Mike Poirier from Canada. It's an axial 10.2 with hot racing 3-gear transmission, Hobbywing 2300 Pro with 17-tooth metal pinion gear, metal drive shafts, 10-tooth axles, 1.9 deep dish wheels with Proline Hyrax 1.9X 25-gear steering servo, front and rear metal bumpers and metal sliders, and 78K cam body.
Swinging right, having a ball on Saturday night. The band leader said, "What you want us to play?"